to delete 1010 account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to delete your 1010 account from your mobile device. So first of all, just simply open your 1010 mobile application in your device, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your account, all you have to do in order to delete your account permanently, just go to the settings icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and over here you will be able to see a bunch of different options like edit profile, power moves, legal stuff, send feedback, and other options. So if you want to delete your account permanently, you need to first know that once you delete your account permanently, you will be able to get it back. So if you made your mind that you want to delete your 1010 account permanently, in order to do that, you need to click on the three dot menu icon right beside the danger zone. Just simply tap on it, and after that you will be able to see the option called delete account. Just simply tap on it and confirm your action by clicking on delete account again, and there you go. Now your account has been deleted permanently. So this is basically how you will be able to delete your 1010 account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.